So as part of our hexagon series with my friend Kristin, we were thinking about a classic holiday decoration and how that might work into our series. So in this episode, we're gonna tackle that.
So at my church, Mrs. Catterman used to make Christmas stockings and sell them. And so my mom had her make one for all 5 girls. And so I've always loved the whole handmade Christmas stocking. To me, it's not a Christmas stocking unless it's handmade. It makes me sort of cry, you know?
Yeah, the nostalgia for it.
Yeah. So when we were planning this series on Instagram, I saw a hexagon crocheted stocking, and I went wild. It looked like tiles, and there were 5 of them in different colors across a beautiful mantle. And I mentioned it to you, and you said, bingo, my grandma used to make these.
Yes.
So I thought, well, let's carry on this tradition and teach everybody how to do it.
Yeah, and then we got wrapped up in all of our color and our blankets and our cowl, and it just didn't happen.
Right, until...
Except it did. I have a surprise for you.
Oh, Sara.
I have a surprise for you. So this
Oh my God, what is it?
This is an amoeba.
You're not kidding me, a wacky geometric thing.
So this is 16 hexagons.
Uh-huh.
And that's a Christmas stocking. So if you have not been on this hexagon journey with us, you can hop back to episode 1 of our hexagon series to see just how to make these 3-round hexagons. And then in episode 2, we show you how to stitch them together. And for this stocking, you can pick up a kit at onebighappy.com, and there are full instructions in the pattern there for how to join this all together because it is wonky.
You're not kidding me.
So you've got a strip of 3 here, and a strip of 3 here, and a strip of 3 here, and then you've got 4. But it's not joined here, and it's not joined here.
Oh, okay.
And then you've got another strip of 3 here.
Okay.
And so I'm going to show you how these 16 hexagons come together into a Christmas stocking.
Oh.
So I'm going to flip it over this way. Because this is the tricky thing. I mean, you're walked through this in the written pattern, but you really need to see this to understand how it works. There's schematics in the pattern. So this strip of 4, this one folds over here. And then I like to use stitch markers to sort of hold everything in place before I sew it together. So I just clip that corner together. And then I clip this corner together here. And then this flat right here, that becomes this side of the stocking.
And so this is becoming the top of the stocking where you would put a loop on it and hang it. Okay.
Yes. And so now I'm going to clip these 2 corners together to just kind of hold it in place, right? And then this
how sweet.
folds in here.
Oh.
See how it comes together? It's
so clever.
It's such a mishmash.
Right.
And then it all comes together. I'm going to do one more here in this corner to hold it together.
Now you said your grandma used to make stockings like this.
She did, yeah. My great-grandma Helen, who I called Grandma, she made these stockings for everybody.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this has got to be some kind of very old-fashioned
I'm sure.
The hexagon, even if we think about the other things we made, they were all, they're almost like folk patterns where they've been around for who knows, like
and there's
hundreds of years.
There's 100 versions of them. Every family probably had their own way of making them. So then we're left with these 3 here. This one folds in.
Oh my God, I see the magic.
And then this one folds in half here.
Wow.
So I'm going to put those 2 stitch markers there.
My goodness.
And
that
then
is so cool.
There's one more thing. So before we finish this up, so where all of these stitch markers are, you would sew this all together, right? And so then there's your lovely stocking. You can stuff stuff in there. But the extra thing that Grandma did that I loved when I really looked at it is these are all nice, smooth shapes, except for this notch.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see. Yep.
So if you make a little granny square in the same pattern that we've been using. So it's just 4 sides instead of 6.
Right.
And for this one, you'll need to pick up the stocking pattern for the instructions. If you fold that in half point to point and you stitch it in place there,
Oh my God, look at it.
then that is,
Yeah, that completes it.
that's the finished
Yeah,
stocking.
and you can fit more things down here.
You can. That's where you fit the chocolate orange.
Yeah,
or
yeah, the chocolate orange, yep.
The extra special gift. So that is the little hexagon. That's my little gift to you, is our little
that's so
stocking,
great.
our hexagon stocking, Christmas stocking.
I've got to make these for my cats.
Yes, yes. So 16 hexagons, 1 little granny square. You can pick up a kit at onebighappy.com and you can make these gorgeous holiday hexagon stockings for your family and friends.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas indeed. Happy crocheting.
Happy crocheting.